Hey y'all, I saw this graphic and I had just posted this video. And a lot of IT companies think that manufacturing is cookie cutter, and really nothing could be further from the truth. Even with manufacturing is basically going to be discrete, where you have an individual unit coming down an assembly line and it can be sold, versus process, which is typically in chemical that is always an ongoing, it's always going on. And each side and even both have their own set of regulations, whether they need to be, I mean, they all need to be OSHA compliant for everything. But are there other standards that need to be adhered to? One of the groups that we work with has some standards that they cannot have cameras that have the Chinese spy chip in them at all. So it's NDAA compliant camera systems and access control systems that they have to use. And that's just some regulations that we have to adhere to and help these our partners out with. And it's just something we do. We work in like several different facets of manufacturing, in process and also discrete. So we currently have two partners that do bricks, one that does knife gates. And if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out. We won't name the client, but we'll also discuss what it is as well too. So chemical, power poles, cross ties, and ice machines. So we do a little bit of everything with this, whether they need to be OSHA, I mean, help them out with their OSHA compliance. We have some camera systems that will actually help spot OSHA violations before there is a inspection or audit as well. Um, Several other higher end government regulations from the security standpoint that we can also work with um, on that as well. So we'd be more than happy to sit down with y'all. We all love coffee, so we would love to sit down with y'all and see what we can do to help. Y'all have a good day.